All right, here is the T4. Just gonna do a quick little run of this. Just ran the phaser earlier, and turned out on the phaser the steering had locked up. Some kind of pebble and the steering servo froze up, or the servo saver froze up. So I'm not going back over that road part where all the dust and stuff is. I'm gonna have to just play out here. Look at this thing.
Take a look inside and find no place that you can hide. A line
Thing's fun, super fun, fast. Looks good on the road, easy to drive, handles good. So there you go, the T4. So these Proline trenchers are just sick, man. They hook up on everything. They are sick. There you go. Spectra Firma, 85 amp. Yeah, that thing's awesome. What's the 3300 kV? It's not even hot. Not even really hot. Nice fan. Runs smooth. This thing rips. So, one more mention of the trenchers. They hook up on everything. Grass, on and off road, dirt, silt, and the road, of course. They really grip down and are predictable on the road, on the tarmac, which is a lot of what I run on. I don't want to bash and ruin and break and get dirty. So anyway, that was fun. All right, thanks guys. See you on the next.